Up first this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is expected to update the nation on the revised COVID-19 measures. Now, as we speak, there's a live press briefing happening at Jamaica House. Now, as soon as the Prime Minister is addressing the press briefing, we will go to that press conference. But at least one party promoter is this evening defending his event. The response comes amidst criticism that chaos reigned at the party's stage over the August holidays and into Sunday. Dwayne Anderson has our report.
The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, says there are teams which had been monitoring several of the parties in question. A report is to be presented to the Minister of Local Government, Desmond McKenzie. The leadership of ODPEM, however, said it could not give a statement on the situation yet because up to Monday, personnel were still in the field observing events. But many concerned Jamaicans have already formed their own conclusions based on video circulating on social media that showed bundled patrons at parties in Ocho Rios, Portmore, and NEGAIL over the last few days. But at least one promoter is defending the event. Marco Polo was staged in St. Anne. They explained that ODPEM provided 21 guidelines for the party and insist those measures were followed.
The venue which they had the event had a capacity of 10,000 persons. They had a permit to use 50% of that number. But the patronage that was in attendance was about 2,300 is what my instructions are. So they're saying that, they did everything they could to the best of their capacity and worked within the time window. The event ended promptly at 7. They followed everything.
The promoter of the Dream Series, Kamal Banke, said he will address the matter in the coming days. The Dream Series ends Monday. One business leader based in NEGAIL also added his voice to the developments.
Every video that they see, they attribute it to Dream, to this event. Let's ensure that it is correct. It is a true video of the situation, the current situation, before we start criticizing and analyzing it. With social media now, you cannot be sure what is what, and people out there will do things to create mistakes.
This video showed one woman and 2 men on stage in masks, while scores of other people were crammed together without. It was the only video from 7 videos that we saw in which persons wore masks. In 2 other videos, persons held their masks in their hand. In the meantime, the president of the NEGAIL Chamber of Commerce, Richard Wallace, said the tourism town experienced a mixed business over the Emancipendence Party period.
We have for the uptick in business. I know hotels had higher occupancies. I know some of the vendors, a lot of them didn't do as well as they had hoped, where you would have people traffic for hours and all of that. It was just short-lived at the venue. And the garbage also, I don't see a lot of garbage. I don't see a lot of issues. So things look a lot more organized. I mean, it's not as chaotic as it used to be.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.